This is for a project in Creemore. It's a renovation of a cottage, weekend house. The designer asked that we take the existing Douglas fir interior and do something to get rid of the orange and the pink. So I got thinking about it, and one of the products that we have from Tover of Italy is the BOSCH CIAIR, which is a reactive stain. Now it does have some sediment in it, so you do need to shake it, but it doesn't take a lot. It's essentially the same viscosity as water, just a little bit on a paint pad applicator, and it doesn't take much to just wet the product, wet the board, and then you'll see over time there'll be a significant change in the color.